Yeah, that's what's going to make this whole thing so challenging. The fact that it's going to be icy and then very cold. So this makes it different than maybe past snowstorms where we were able to clean up from it faster. Expect this to be more prolonged just because of those conditions. Now, this is starting on Saturday night after 10 p.m. It picks up quickly through Sunday morning, changes over to ice, and then we stay very cold, which is going to cause all of this to compress and freeze over and make it really hard to chip away at all. This is how much we're going to be cleaning up as we look across the metro. We're looking for a general range of 6 to 10 inches of snow, but you see the purple off to our north and west. That represents some of the higher amounts that could show up in our north and west suburbs, just given the fact that they will stay a snow longer. So in general, it's going to be more snow off to the west, less to the south, but the problem is, even though that is deceiving, it's the places south of us that still have a good layer of ice on top of that snow. So even 8 inches of snow with ice on top of it is going to be problematic. So basically the entire state hopefully hunkering down on Sunday if you don't have to go out. Looking at the futurecast, we are dry through the rest of today, so a good time to be running errands and getting things done. Just keep in mind it's getting colder quickly. Look how we're dropping down into the single digits tonight, and it even feels like it's colder than that just because of the wind chill. Some places could feel like they're sub-zero overnight. Now through Saturday, we barely only warm it into the teens, but it's still dry during the day with cloudy skies and a brisk wind. Very cold, but still a better time to get things done outdoors. You'll just want to put on more layers just to be safe in the cold weather. And then that snow starts late Saturday night, so after 10 p.m. And at the very start, it might just be flurries, but then at some point in the middle of the night, especially after about midnight and 2 a.m., it starts to accumulate. And so we could have a couple inches of snow on the ground even by 4 or 5 a.m. I know that's when some of my coworkers are going to be trying to get in. So you will be dealing with snow even early on Sunday, but the earlier you get out, the better, because the snow will just keep coming down throughout the morning. And then you see the pink on the map where the warm air comes through the middle of the atmosphere, causes some of the snow to mix to ice, still could accumulate as sleet, and then maybe even a glaze of some freezing rain. And so we'll get that icing throughout the afternoon and evening on Sunday until it tapers off late on Sunday night. So just keep in mind the wind chills. Again, tonight it's going to feel like we're dropping down below zero just because we quickly fall into the single digits. And then by tomorrow, it's still a very cold day, but still a better time to get out and about, maybe inspecting your property and seeing where any pipes need to be insulated. We'll only be in the teens tomorrow, and then that snow starts after about 11 p.m. 7-day forecast. So an alert day on Sunday, just given how heavy the snow and the ice will be. But then we're in an extended period of cold weather. So we've marked every day next week with that impact icon, just because it will be so unusually cold, and it will feel even colder because of the wind. And with this cold weather, it's going to take that much longer to clear all this snow and ice.